Hey, okay, so I've just arrived in the Shangri-La at the Shard, and I'm doing a little room tour before this camera battery runs out because I forgot to charge it this morning, and I can't do this on my big camera because it's too heavy. Anyway, so I've just checked in and this is the room. So I'm going to go straight to the view because you can't really ignore it. So this is my incredible view. There's the city over there, and here is Tower Bridge. How incredible is that? I literally can't get over it. So beautiful. It's just, oh my gosh, insane. Completely insane. So here, this is, I'm not actually sure which room this is, to be honest. I'll put it into the description below. So you've got this stunning desk right here with this view, and then you've got a nice big bed with this incredible silk wall pattern behind, and then a little table and a chair, more view, a nice big TV and coffee machine. And then in here we've got a mini bar and more mini bar, and what's in here? There's a kettle. In-room dining, magazines, and then wardrobe. So here's the safe, and lots of hangers, slippers, ironing board, and then what I'm most excited about showing you. So here's the bathroom, just, you know, your casual toilet, large shower and sink. And then, oh hey, we have this. Oh my gosh. I literally walked in. I walked in, guys, and I was literally like, holy shit. Oh my gosh, okay, excuse the language, but hello, there's a bath that looks over London. Oh my gosh, I mean, what? This is literally insane. I don't think I've ever, in fact, no, I never have ever, that doesn't make sense. I have never had a bath with this kind of view before. I mean, look, look. And, oh, there's like a shower as well. So you could even, if you don't want to shower in here, you can just sit in the bath and shower in the bath looking at this view. Look at that. And then if you sit this way, you look at Tower Bridge. Oh my gosh. And then, as always, Shangri-La provide their L'Occitane toiletries. Did you know that it's pronounced L'Occitane? I used to pronounce it L'Occitane. And then my friend who speaks fluent French was like, no, it's L'Occitane. I was like, oh, okay. Except he says it with a French accent, but I can't do that. So I still say it in a very kind of English way. But anyway, and then also I just want to show you the little details of the designs of everything. Everything is just so thought out and so stunning. And I mean, even look, even the laundry has these beautiful little flower details. It's just incredible.